Hi YouTube. Today we got the Tiffany Co. New York mugs. I got these boxes today. We're going to open it and see what's inside. Opening the box is a really nice box. Foam inside, really comfortable. Here are these beautiful mugs with the map of New York City. You can see here has the Tiffany Co. logo, Central Park, the different streets or where they're located. Really nice. You can see there is silver trimming at the edge. Pretty deep inside, a good size weight to it. The second mug right here, it's the same exact one, so there is no difference between the patterns. Again, the nice silver trim here, made in Japan. Overall, these are very nice mugs. I would highly recommend. Here's the mugs. Thank you for watching.